day, everyone. This is Cadet Abelgas-Lit11-51367-Final, second year college, BSMT. This video is all about protecting marine environment. I have three objectives for today. First, what is marine environment? Second, what is the major sources of marine pollution and its impact or hazard to human, animals, and shipping industry. And lastly, I'm going to explain about the Marpol Convention and the history when it was adapted and entered into the force and its objective, and including all the regulation of the Marpol 6 annexes. So, what is marine environment? Is the original mandate of the principal concerned with maritime safety. The work of the Marine Environment Division is, in the main, marine environment directed by the Marine Protection Committee, the MEPC in short, which is the IMO Senior's technical body on marine pollution-related matters. It is focused on the prevention of marine pollution by oil, resulting in the adoption of the first ever comprehensive anti-pollution convention. So next, the major sources of marine pollution and the impact to human, animals, and shipping industry. So I know there's a lot of major sources of marine pollution, but I'll give example of sources of marine pollution. First, deep sea mining is a mineral retrieval process that takes place on the ocean floor. And second, land runoff that occurs on the surface before reaching a channel is also called overland flow. And lastly, ocean acidification is ongoing decrease in the pH of the Earth's ocean caused by the uptake of carbon dioxide, and the impact to this to the human life, animals, or shipping industry is the human affect his life and their environment. It also affects mankind's chemicals such as oil, mercury, and other heavy metals can all be found within the ocean, and even contaminates water supply and our food chain affect human life involved. And next, for the animals, even small plastic can kill fish, bird, and marine mammals. Sea turtles destroy habitat and can affect animals mating ritual, which can have devastating consequences, can wipe out entire species. And for shipping industry, air pollution like greenhouse gas emission, releasing of the ballast water containing aquatic invasive species, can take them on a penalty. Lastly, I'm gonna explain to you what is the history of the MARPO when it was adapted and entered into force and its objectives. So, the International Convention of the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, which is MARPO, is the main international convention covering prevention of pollution of the marine environment. The MARPO Convention was adopted on November 2, 1973 at IMO. So, the Protocol of 1978 was adopted in response to a spite of a tanker accident in 1976 and 1977. That's why it was called 7378. Entering into force on October 2, 1983, it was developed by International Maritime Organization objective to minimize pollution of the ocean and seas, including dumping oil and air pollution. And before I forget, I'm gonna explain to you about the Marpol 6 annexes. So the 6 annexes are: Annex 1, Regulation for the Prevention of Pollution by Oil. Annex 2, Regulation of the Control of Pollution by a noxious liquid substance in bulk. Annex 3, Regulation of Pollution by harmful substances carried by sea in package. Annex 4, Prevention of Pollution by sewage from ships. Annex 5, Prevention of Pollution by garbage from ships. Annex 6, Prevention of air pollution from ships. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching.